Hello watcher and subscriber. Today we discuss why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. So this thing we focus on the today's tutorial. So if you are beginner, then first I also tell you here what exactly multiple inheritance also. So multiple means it refer to the concept of one class extending more than one class, which means child class has two parents. So these are the parent class, you can say base class, and this one is derived class. So here derived class can take data from A and B. And I also tell you in short hybrid inheritance. Since the Java doesn't support multiple inheritance with classes, the hybrid inheritance is also not possible. Because the hybrid inheritance structure is like that, there also you can get the two base class structure and the derived class. So that's the reason Java doesn't allow the multiple base classes. So in Java we don't have multiple and hybrid inheritance. Now our main point is why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Suppose you have the class A having the show method, then how you can execute that method? Simply you create the object of that class and then you use a.show. So the data will be executed from class A, which is having show method. Same structure, suppose you have the class B, okay, and it is taking data from A. So A is base and B is derived. Then suppose A is having the show method, then how B can take the data from A? Just we create the object of B and then we write B dot show method, so that B can take the data which is present in class A. But if your structure is like that, means if you have the C class which is taking data from A and B, it means we have two base class A and B, and in class A and B we have the same method, that is show. Then what happens? Suppose by using C we are taking the data of A and B. Then in that case you write the code like that. You create the object of C, then you write C.show method. But here the confusion will be created. A will tell you take the data from me, B will tell you take the show method from me. So here C will be confused because in both sides same method is there. Okay, so when you write such statement, it will get confusion whether the data will come from here or here. A will force to take the data from me and B will force to take the data from me. So here uncertainty will happen. So for avoiding such trick or condition, Java doesn't support the multiple inheritance concept. So I hope now you got it why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Suppose in both class same methods are there, then for avoiding such case, for avoiding such confusion, we don't use the multiple inheritance in the Java. So I hope friend you got this idea, and for overcoming this problem, for avoiding this case, for avoiding this situation, we have the choice of interface in Java. So Java provide the interface concept, and because of that you can achieve the multiple inheritance tasks. So in the next tutorial we will go through the interface in detail. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you.